How to clean screens with natural remedies. Are you tired of smudged and dirty screens affecting your view? We have some natural remedies to help you clean your screens effectively and without using harmful chemicals. In this video, we'll walk you through some easy and eco-friendly ways to clean your screens, leaving them sparkling and smudge-free. First, let's discuss the ingredients you'll need. Grab a spray bottle and fill it with equal parts of distilled water and white vinegar. That's it. This simple solution not only cleans your screen effectively but is also gentle on the environment. White vinegar is a natural disinfectant and deodorizer, while distilled water prevents streaks and residue. Now, let's get into the cleaning process. First, turn off your device and unplug it to ensure safety. Next, take a piece of soft, lint-free cloth, such as a microfiber towel, and dampen it with the vinegar solution. Remember, never spray the solution directly on your screen. Instead, spray it onto the cloth. Gently wipe the screen in a circular motion, starting from the top and working your way down. Be sure to avoid pressing too hard, as this can damage your screen. As you clean, you'll notice the vinegar solution lifting away dirt, smudges, and fingerprints with ease. Once you've wiped the entire screen, use a dry and clean microfiber cloth to buff away any remaining streaks or moisture. This final step ensures a crystal clear, streak-free finish that will make your screen shine. And there you have it. With this natural remedy, you can keep your screens clean and clear without using harsh chemicals or spending a fortune on screen cleaners. So the next time your screens need a good cleaning, reach for that bottle of white vinegar and give this eco-friendly method a try. Your screens, your wallet, and the environment will thank you.